is the OneOdio Pro 10 great choice as wired stereo headphones for under $30 or 2,200 rupees? Well, this honest and non-sponsored video by Sandip Techfeed about OneOdio Pro 10 is likely to answer the question. The headphone is not only cost-effective but offers amazingly crystal clear music. So, let's start. First, an immersive audio. While buying this wired headset, we were concerned about the audio quality on offer. But after using the product for 8 months, we were impressed. The headphone offers clear sound and vocals with deep bass. This is one of the stereo headphones which sports a large 50mm neodymium driver for an immersive music experience. You will feel the treble as balanced. Overall, the sound quality is as good as some of the premium stereo headphones. The sound quality on this wired headset is equally good while watching movies and videos. And guess what? OneOdio Studio Pro 10 for gaming is also a feasible option. You can play video games on mobile or PC. You can listen to heavy metal, Punjabi songs, and pop songs with deep bass. Next in features, good build quality for max comfort. Another impressive feature of the stereo headphone is their near premium build quality. At $2,000, it is hard to have excellent build quality with a steel or aluminum-like finish in such wired stereo headphones. But in OneOdio Pro 10, you will get a sturdy but flexible build quality even at a low budget. It has a premium quality plastic body, but the external body of the ear cups has a glossy steel finish. The headband is adjustable and is made of plastic with a steely finish on it. Also, the headband is flexible and can be twisted. The Studio Pro 10 over-ear headphone is foldable even with its large ear cups, and you can carry it with you while traveling. Inside the ear cups, there is premium leather-like material that will offer comfort for a long duration. Next in build features, soft padding inside the headband. You can wear these wired stereo headphones for 45 minutes continuously. After that, hang them around your neck and rest your head on the soft padding to relax. Next is a multipurpose button with a mic. With just a single tap on the button you can play and pause the music. With a double tap at a time you can move on to the next track, and with a triple tap to the previous one. Hence, it is one of the stereo headphones which can be used with the minimum usage of your hands while doing any work. Next, an adapter-free stereo headphone. Another advantage of using this wired headset is that you will not need any adapter. The product comes with a 9.8-foot DJ-style cord that can access your TV or stereo easily from your favorite seating position. Some other features are: first, compatibility. Apart from that, you can connect these headphones to Android phones or iPads or iPods or iPhones, laptops, and many other audio devices. Second, share port technology. This wired headset comes equipped with this technology, which enables you to connect multiple headphones to one device using the empty 3.5mm socket. Third, single-sided monitoring. You can easily swivel the ear cups of the headset up to 90 degrees for single ear monitoring. This eases the usability of the product and ensures a fatigue-free music experience. Here are some of the drawbacks of this headphone that we felt after reviewing. First, we felt that the headphone is a little bulky. This can cause some discomfort if you are using it for long hours. Next, there is a clamping force on the hinges of the ear cups. This can cause pain after wearing for 40 minutes. One solution is to adjust the headband length to feel a little more comfortable. Next, the round ear cups are not ergonomically designed. An oval ear cup fits more perfectly over your ears. Also, the noise cancelling feature could have been better. However, in spite of all this, OneOdio Pro 10 can be a decent choice in the budget for people who prefer bass and a wired headset to a wireless one. It is a perfect match for DJ mixing, playing video games, watching movies, and much more. But as it is a little bulky, may not be a perfect fit outdoors.